Hello and welcome back to the show. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Leo. We are so happy to have you join us today for another episode of Learn and Practice English.
Today, we are talking about a fantastic topic, books. We will learn how to describe your favorite books, talk about different types of books, and use great new vocabulary in English.
That's right. Learning to talk about what you read is a great way to have real, fun conversations. We will use simple, clear sentences perfect for A2 and B1 English speakers.
Before we start, a quick reminder. If you like what we do, please like, share, and subscribe to the podcast. It helps us reach more learners like you.
Okay, Jessica, let's start with a simple question. What is your favorite type of book?
That's a good question, Leo.
I love mystery novels. They are books where a detective or a normal person tries to solve a crime. I like the suspense.
That sounds exciting. I prefer fantasy books. These books are not real. They often have magic, dragons, or strange worlds. The Hobbit is a famous fantasy book.
Oh, I see. My sister loves science fiction or sci-fi. These books are about the future, space, or robots. They are about science that might happen one day.
And many people enjoy biography books. A biography is a book about the real life of a real person. We can learn about famous presidents or scientists.
Great job, everyone. Let's pause and look at the new vocabulary we just used.
We use the phrase type of book. Type means a kind or category. What type of book do you like?
We talked about 4 types. Mystery, when someone solves a crime. Fantasy, magic, not real. Science fiction or sci-fi, the future, space, robots. Biography, about the real life of a real person.
Let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. My favorite type is fantasy. Do you read mystery books? I want to read a biography.
Good job! Remember these words. They are very useful when talking about books. I love mystery novels. They are books where a detective tries to solve a crime.
I prefer fantasy books. They are not real. They have magic.
My sister loves science fiction. These books are about the future.
A biography is about the real life of a real person. Now, let's learn how to describe one specific book. Leo, tell us about one book you really like.
Okay, my favorite book is called The Silent Sea. It's a mystery. The main character is a police officer named Sarah. She is trying to find a missing painting.
That sounds interesting. Who is the author? The author is the person who writes the book.
The author is Jane Smith. I think she is a very good storyteller. The book is very gripping. Gripping means it holds your attention. You don't want to stop reading.
Nice word. I would say The Silent Sea sounds like a very fast-paced book. Fast-paced means the action happens quickly. It is the opposite of a slow-paced book.
Exactly. And at the end, there is a big plot twist. A plot twist is a surprise that completely changes the story. Let's look at the new vocabulary we just used.
Main character, the most important person in the story. Author, the person who writes the book. Storyteller, a person who is good at writing interesting stories.
And the describing words: 4, gripping, very exciting, holds your attention. The book is so gripping. 5, fast-paced, the action moves quickly. 6, plot twist, a big surprise at the end of the story.
Now let's learn how to express enjoyment. I couldn't put it down. This means the book was so gripping you had to keep reading. Listen and repeat. I loved that book. I couldn't put it down.
Good job! Use these phrases to tell your English friends about the books you love. The Silent Sea is a mystery. The main character is a police officer.
The person who writes the book is the author.
The book is very gripping. You don't want to stop reading.
It sounds fast-paced because the action happens quickly. Wow, Leo, that was a great conversation about books. We learned how to talk about different types of books: mystery, fantasy, sci-fi, and biography.
And we learned how to describe a book using words like main character, author, gripping, and fast-paced. Great work, everyone! You practiced a lot of real English today.
We hope you feel confident to try and use these words next time you talk to someone about reading. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Now for our community question. We love to hear from you. We want to know, what is your favorite book and why?
Tell us the title and the type of book in the comments section below, or send us an email.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for learning with us.
We will talk to you next time. Goodbye for now.